Okay, y'all. You know, every time we get ready to go on a trip, I am a classic overpacker. I always try to figure out, how does everybody do this? How does everybody get everything that they need to pack in a carry-on, in a duffel bag, in a backpack? How do you guys do that? I think I figured it out. I think I figured it out. Now, you guys know we've got our Disney trip coming up. And if I can help it, I am not paying for a check bag, because who wants to pay for check bags anymore? With all the fees of the airlines, check bags should not be one of them, okay? So how can we avoid this? I had to start thinking smarter. And our friends over at Aerless reached out to us and they sent us this amazing bag. Look at it. You are looking at the Aerless Travel Compression Bag. These things are a total game changer. All you do is pack your clothes, use this little rechargeable air pump, and you can even use your home vacuum right here on this little button. Let me show you how it works. And just like that, all of the air is gone. We're talking 60% more space in your bag. They're carry-on size, so they fit perfectly in any bag. And the best part, they're waterproof and odor-proof, so your clothes stay fresh and clean. And they even double as a laundry bag at the end of your trip. Now, they come in 1, 2, and 4 pack. You can get them with just a bag or with the pump as well. So grab whatever works for you, your style, your family. So if you want to grab your Aerless bags, why don't you click the link in the description and make sure you use the code Parkers on the Go to save an extra 10% off your bags on top of whatever sale is happening on the website. I wish I had these years ago, but now that I got them, I can rest assured that paying for check baggage is in the past.